turn your tablet on, press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds until the tablet vibrates and the Samsung logo appears. After your tablet's started up, swipe to unlock the screen. The MTI app will start up automatically. To log into the MTI app, just accept the terms and conditions and enter your driver number and PIN number. If you're already on a job and you end up back in the menu, you can go to My Trips to see any presently active jobs that you have. To plot into a position, you can just press the Go on Duty button and plot in the area that you're already in. You can go into the Plot menu and press Go on Duty to plot in that position. If you want to deplot, press the Go Off Duty button and confirm Go Off Duty. Press the home screen to get back to the home. To get to the cover menu is now called Available Trips. Tap on Available Trips and any jobs will display in a list down the left-hand side. To get to the Stats screen, tap on Stats. This will show stats for your current area and surrounding suburbs. If you have Follow Location on, you can toggle it on and off here. It will automatically follow the location that you're on and update the stats accordingly. If you want to change the area, press Select Area, type in the area number, and it will pull through the statistics for that area and the surrounding suburbs. If you need to contact base, press Messages, go to Trip Issues, and you can contact query by hitting Other Query. This will make a call to our query operators and patch you through.
Warning alarms.
If you need to raise an alarm and contact query, go to Messages, tap on Trip Issues, and tap the M12 button. This will contact query with an M12 alarm. If you need to do an M13 alarm, you can trigger the alarm switch in your taxi as per normal, or you can hold down the exclamation button here for 3 seconds on the tablet. The exclamation will turn an orange color to let you know that the alarm's been triggered. Trip history will show you trips that you've done, appearing down here. You can go into them for more information if you need. If you need to access GPS navigation, tap the Navigate button, and this will open Google Maps. From here you can type in whatever you like, any address or place name, and go to get navigation to that location. Tap the Back to App button to return to the MTI app. Note that you can tap and drag this button around. When you're offered a job,
you have 10 seconds to accept.
You'll have 10 seconds to accept it. The job information will be displayed here on the left-hand side, including the passenger's name and phone number if they've elected to display their phone number. If you want to navigate to the pickup location or to the drop-off location, you can tap the Nav button next to either pickup or drop-off to open Google Maps and automatically populate the pickup address or drop-off address depending on what you've put in. Just hit the Start button to begin navigation. To navigate
Your destination is on the left.
This will navigate you to the pickup location. Once you've got the passenger on board, simply turn your meter on and the pickup button will automatically activate. You can hit the Navigate button to navigate to the drop-off location. And Google Maps will help direct you there. Hit Back to App to return to the app when you're ready. Once you've reached your destination, turn the meter off and the drop-off button will automatically turn off. Once the trip's finished, you can hit the Go On Duty button again to return to on duty to receive work. If you're on duty and you want to go off duty, you can either go on a break by going on hold. This will pause your on duty for 10 minutes and you won't be offered jobs for 10 minutes. If you want to cancel this, just hit the resume button. If you want to go off duty entirely, from the home menu, go to plot and hit go off duty. You're now off duty. If you get a street hail on board, simply turn the meter on and the pickup button will automatically activate and it'll go to a street hail job. If you need to log off, when you're ready to log off, hit the log off button and then press log off.
GPS signal lost.
You'll be returned to the log on screen.
Just do it.
To power off your unit, press and hold the power button on the top for about 3 seconds until the power menu pops up and hit the power off button. Tap it again to confirm.